Welcome back to our channel. We are back for our viewers with the new, interesting, and exciting video. On our channel this time, we want to talk about 10 astonishing modern modular homes. 10. Modular Marfa. The Marfa by Modular is a 2,390 square foot modern prefab home with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a light-filled center open living space with double ceiling height. Walls of sliding glass doors and ceiling clerestory windows provide abundant natural light and views in the central pavilion living area. On one side, the glass doors lead to a large deck, while on the other, they lead to a central courtyard. Other highlights include a large walkout terrace and patio, a large kitchen island, and a detached bedroom building. 9. AlchemyArch Weezero. The Weezero is the world's first net-zero wee house that incorporates the most environmentally friendly methods. The home is a calm, floating, rusted box that is visually absorbed in the Red Rock Desert landscape of Moab, Utah. The kitchen and bath are surrounded by cool, lush bamboo decor. The modern, precise design takes advantage of prefab technology. To balance overall energy use, water recycling, passive solar, solar electric, and solar thermal collectors will all be used in the future. The wee house has been fairly consistent over the last 15 years, choosing humility, minimalism, and material celebration over applied decor and architectural flair. 8. Marmol Radziner Desert House. Our prefab prototype, the Desert House, was built on a 5-acre property in Desert Hot Springs. The 2-bedroom, 2-bath home was designed to take advantage of the greatest views of San Jacinto Peak and the surrounding mountains. Additionally, covered outdoor living areas stretch through the landscape, doubling the 2,000 square foot internal rooms. As they approach their home, the owners can park their car in a detached prefab carport. The house, which is fixed on a sunken platform, floats 2 feet above the desert environment. Views of the San Jacinto and San Gorgonio mountains can be seen from the main living area, which faces west. While simultaneously extending and connecting the home to the north wing, which contains a guest house and studio space, open frames provide covered living spaces that combine interiors and outdoors. The residence offers a sheltered setting with a pool and fire pit constructed by L. Passive and active solar technology, as well as sustainable design concepts, are used in the home's design. Solar panels furnish the house with electricity. The influence of the intense summer heat can be reduced by sunshades on the south and west facade. Concrete flooring enables passive solar heat gain throughout the winter months. 7. Stillwater Dwellings, SD221. Stillwater Dwellings has been designing high-end modern residences since 2008. The design heritage is rooted in the aesthetics of modern architecture's masters. With abundant use of glass, lofty ceilings, and architectural design, these homes perfectly mix outdoor and indoor life. Every finishing piece is specified in the plans to create a seamless appearance. Details matter at Stillwater Dwellings. Stillwater homes are known for their superb detailing, premium materials, and contemporary aesthetics, with floating steel entry canopies, butterfly roofs, and strong indoor-outdoor linkage. Stillwater Dwellings has recently been involved in providing fast-track construction options to towns in California that have been impacted by substantial wildfire destruction. Fire protection plans and intelligent but simple design strategies are used in Stillwater homes for these locations, including the likelihood of a home surviving any future wildfire occurrences. 6. Resolution 4, Sharon Residence. The Sharon Residence is a 1,892 square foot prefabricated home with views of the Housatonic Valley, located on a wooded property in Connecticut's northwest corner. 4 prefabricated 16-foot broad models are supported by an insulated concrete foundation. Views of the surrounding area are framed by floor-to-ceiling glass windows and sliding doors. A huge rectangular public space and a linear bar of individual bedrooms and baths create an L-shaped floor design. 2 of the bedrooms have integrated custom millwork that include a work desk, storage, and a pull-down bed, making them pragmatically versatile. The kitchen, living, and dining areas are all part of the large shared room. The vast wraparound deck is shaded by a big brise solile, which decreases solar gain and glare from the interior. Dark bamboo flooring, maple cabinets, and black quartz worktops are among the interior components. Large format floor tile and subway wall tile in the bathrooms provide a good water resistance and are simple to clean. Gray cement board panels, cedar trim, and IBE decking were all selected for their durability and low maintenance. Hybrid insulation, which combines closed-cell spray foam with batt, creates a high-performance building envelope. Geothermal energy and a solar-ready roof help to keep the house cool in the summer and warm in the winter. The design system makes use of a high-velocity forced air system to cool the inside and a radiant system beneath the floor that may be augmented by forced air to warm the interior when the wood-burning stove is insufficient. 5. Method Homes, Tahoe Custom. At this year's Dwell on Design conference in downtown Los Angeles, Method Home experts displayed Anata, their newest luxurious custom-built house. The firm specializes in high-end prefabricated homes with a focus on sustainability and outstanding design. Method Home constructs all of its homes and commercial structures in-house before shipping them out and erecting them on-site to maximize efficiency and minimize inconvenience. Method Homes has produced 2 alternative versions of the Anata, one with 2 modules and the other with 3, to accommodate those who are interested in both indoor and outdoor life. The optional 3rd module expands the home's total footprint from 1,260 to 1,830 square feet by adding a 2nd bedroom, roomy garage, and a small outdoor terrace to the design. Anata's outside space makes it suitable for wine country and seaside areas in California. The ultimate cost of a Method Home might range from $180 to $300 per square foot, depending on the materials chosen by the customer and the location where it will be built. The model that was exhibited in the company's Dwell display, for example, was created for a customer looking for a vacation home near Santa Rosa. High-end materials and custom-built fittings were used to make the house more appropriate for that function and location. 4. Design Mobile, OMD and Frank Lloyd Taliesin Modular. The Taliesin Mod Fab is a perfect illustration of desert living at its most basic, elegant, and sustainability. The SIP panelized construction of the 1-bedroom, 960 square foot prototype home allows for speed and economy on the job site or in the factory. It's meant to be used both on and off the grid. Rainwater collection, reusable gray water, solar orientation, natural ventilation, and photovoltaics are all used while the house is unplugged. Solar panels are mounted on a garden wall, allowing construction workers to use it as a source of power. The structure has been designed and engineered to be road transportable. Jennifer Siegel co-taught a design-build studio class that resulted in this project. On the Rolling Desert campus, a prototype was built nearly entirely by students. It's presently being used as a guest house with furniture from design within reach. 3. Turkel Design's Axiom 2390. This home, which is suitable for both compact city lots and large lots with spectacular vistas, presents a private face to the street while opening up in 2 paths throughout the glazed great room. The dining room, kitchen, and living room form an L configuration around the covered deck. The ceiling heights vary drastically within the L, giving each space its distinct character while keeping an open flow between them. A bedroom suite, hidden away on the main level, enables for single-level living if preferred. A loft office, which is located above the kitchen and looks down on the living and dining rooms as well as upward and outward, is one of the most wonderful areas. The already made building components which are ready to assemble are packaged for efficient shipment and sent to locations throughout the world, where an installation crew assembles the structure on site. Pre-cut architectural-grade Douglas fir beams, wood frame, aluminum-clad windows, factory-assembled walls, floors, and roof panels, cabinetry, and a range of interior and exterior treatments are all included in the package. 2. Figurr Prefab Country House. The house was built according to the architect's exact plans, with its distinctive modular architecture. The house was designed with the goal of leaving a small environmental footprint and was constructed with sustainable and local materials. The huge windows catch the splendor of nature and flood the interior with light. Direct sunlight aids in the reduction of both heating and lighting costs. The outside facade's natural tint mixes in well with the wood's decor, while the opaque black accents offer an artistic touch. Indoors, the wood is warm and inviting. The interior of the house was intended to give each family member their own personal space. The open concept ground floor features a huge kitchen and the dining area where everyone can enjoy cooking and eating excellent meals together, a lovely, warm living room, and a 3-season screened-in porch with views of the lake and forests. An atelier for painting and carpentry is also located on the ground floor. The lower lakeside terrace was created to ensure that the spectacular site was not obstructed. 1. Honomobo REiverdale Ho4+. The Riverdale Ho4+ was developed and installed in Edmonton, Alberta in the spring of 2018. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an interior staircase are included in this Ho4+. The basement unit has its own door, a full kitchen, 1 bedroom, and 1 bathroom, adding rental money to help pay for the construction. Despite the fact that our floor plans are set in stone, we can design the site's lower level to include all the elements you require. We enjoy you to please use our comments section to reach us, and we will always be here to attend your comments. I hope you liked our video.